Good people, I'm looking for all of you advanced drummers and intermediate drummers because y'all don't have this problem with the beginner drummers. We got to cut the shift. I'm tired of it. I'm sick of it. All of it. And it's you advanced drummers and it's you intermediate drummers. You know what it is? It's when y'all show up to the gig and you use somebody else's kit and you want to blame the setup on why you sound like trash. I have news for you, my guy or my gal, whichever you are. If you are a human being that identifies as an advanced drummer or an intermediate drummer, I am talking directly to you. It is not the kit on why you sound like trash. It is you. So the issue is, this is me personally. I don't like when drummers show up to a gig where I already have my kit set up and you're only playing a few songs. Why are you adjusting the kit? Now I get if you are the main drummer, which is why a lot of gigs that I've showed up to where there is a main drummer, they don't even let me play their kit. They're like, yo, you can set up your kit in front of my kit because they have what they like. They have their preference set the way they have it and they don't want me to adjust anything. But I even tell them, hey, listen, I don't have to adjust anything but the seat because that's the one thing I will allow. If you adjust the seat, everybody has different heights and so you don't want to mess up your back. You can have back problems over time if you're sitting way too high or if you're sitting way too low. But everything else, you don't need to touch. You're playing like 2-3 songs at the most. If you are the main drummer, do whatever you want. If you're playing an hour and a half set, sure, you got an hour and a half. You do want to be comfortable. 15 minutes, 10 to 15, sit your down. But it don't make any goddamn sense. But you know what I'm talking about. I've seen drummers who, as soon as they try to play the chop, they end up hitting the rim or they end up playing a bad chop and they go, gotta get this. Bro, why you got this all set up? Like, come on, man, you gotta, no, just play the drums, bro. You sound like trash, okay? It's not the drum kit, it is you. So this is what I'll do. Instead of just bashing you guys, I'm gonna give you some advice that was given to me by the big homie, Enrique Martin, Signal Chair in this mother, turn up the big homie, Enrique Martin, Signal Chair gave us advice, baby. Let's go.
First of all, his name is Eric Moore. Who's Enrique? Do you even know anybody named Enrique?
Bro, there's people that hit me in the DM and they actually spell out Enrique.
I know, they do. They do it in the DrumTrax DM too. And I'm sick of it. It doesn't make any sense.
So the big homie told me if you have multiple kits, try to set up in a discombobulated way. Like, yes, have your main kit set up the way you want to, but if you have a second kit or even a third kit, set it up weird and start practicing on all 3 kits. Now, if you only have one kit, then what you should do is set up your kit in a weird way and practice on it for about, I don't know, 10, maybe 20 minutes. You don't have to spend hours and hours on it. You just need to touch it here and there because you never know what kind of kit they're gonna have at the venues you show up to if you're using someone else's kit. So you wanna be prepared for any and everything. So for your examples, obviously I gotta give you some type of examples with music. We're gonna get straight to the track. I'm going to play to a track called Funk Pop. It's in the funk section. If you want access to this track, links are in the description box. So for your examples, I'm gonna play to this track and I'm going to have Damani actually come and adjust the kit as he sees fit while I'm playing. So I'm gonna play for a little bit. I'll probably play 4 bars, maybe 8 bars, and then I'm gonna stop. Track is gonna still keep going. He's gonna move stuff where he wants to, lower something, raise something, take it away, set it on the floor, whatever he wants to do. And I'm going to sound as close as I did when I was playing on my setup, my preference. And the reason for that is the only thing I really need to have adjusted is my seat. As long as my seat height is good, I could play on anything, honestly. I've played on some really bad kits. So I'm gonna get to this track and I'm gonna get up out of here and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
it's your boy Damani. I hope you enjoyed the video that you just watched, and I hope you liked the video. I hope you left a comment, and I wanted to invite you into DrumTrax Premium. We literally have over 350 drum lessons, over 300 by now, Drumless tracks, a community in the private Facebook group of drummers that we go live with and do live drum coaching every single week. We want to help you find your voice and explore your creativity on the drums. We can do that with DrumTrax Premium. You can find the links in the description of this video, and if you're looking for more content, you can click one of the videos that are showing up on the screen right now and check them out, all right, fam? I look forward to seeing you in more videos, and I look forward to seeing you in DrumTrax Premium. All right, fam, peace.